Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine. So, what are you doing nowadays?
I am pursuing class 11th. And what are you doing?
I am doing my 8th class and learning spoken English nowadays. So, could you tell me about yourself?
Yes, I can tell you about myself. My name is Dipanshu Rawat. I am from Badod, Bagpat. I about my family. There are five members in my family, including me, my grandmother, my father, mother, and my brother. I have studied in class 11th and learning spoken English here.
Okay, sir. So, I would like to tell you about myself also. My name is Avyan Arora, and nowadays I am doing my 8th class and learning spoken English. And I am 13 years old. And about my hobbies, I do self study and riding a bicycle. And about my family background, there are five members in my family, including me, my mother, my father, my sister, and my grandmother, and me. So, can you cook?
Yes, sometimes I can cook.
What can you cook?
I can cook Maggie, and sometimes I can also cook macaroni like things.
Are you satisfied with your English communication?
No, I am not satisfied with my English communication. I want to improve it so much.
Um, why are you learning spoken English? Could you tell me?
Yes, I can tell you why I am learning spoken English, because in my field it is necessary to learn it.
And who inspire you to learn spoken English?
My mother inspired me to learn spoken English. And what about you? Why are you learning this?
I am learning spoken English because I need to upgrade my communication skills. And after that, when I do any job, it is very necessary for all things. And could you tell me that from where do you exactly exist?
Actually, I am exactly from the Uttarakhand, Podi Gadwal, and my village name is Second.
Okay. Could you tell me about some rituals which are mainly presided there?
There are so many rituals that presided there, like the dancing of the goddess, like that things. There are so many ritual that are presided there. And what about you? What do you want to be?
I want to be a scientist. And what do you want to be, sir?
I want to be the MNC officer, like my brother,
Why you want to be MNC officer?
because there is interest. Because there is my interest in the MNC jobs and like multinational jobs.
Okay. So, could you tell me about your family background?
Yes, I can tell you about my family background. My mother is a teacher and my father is an engineer in SBEC Malakpur. My brother is the my brother is the employee in the MNC group. And about you, what is your family background?
Okay, sir. So my mother is a teacher and my father is an advocate, and there is my grandmother, and my sister is doing nowadays graduation and learning Spanish language. And nowadays I am learning spoken English and doing my 8th class.
So, sir, what is your hobbies? What are you doing in your free time?
Nowadays I play mobile games and go to my friend's house playing outdoor games in my spare time. And what do you do in your free time, sir?
Actually, I am there is very less free time in my daily schedule. I am doing my self study and learning the scriptures in my free time.
Okay, so you do study in your free time.
Yes, I do study in my free time.
So, do you watch movies?
Yes, sometimes I watch movies.
Okay, what kind of movies do you watch?
I watch horror and thriller movies.
Okay. So how is going your studies?
They are going fine.
And what about your hobbies? What do you do?
My hobbies are playing badminton and sometimes I play also football.
Okay. So can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Could you tell me about that? How to ride a bike?
Yes, I can tell you about how to ride a bike.
Please tell me.
Firstly you have to start the bike, then put the gear in the bike, and then the clutch you hold, you should release it slowly. Then the bike start to riding.
Who taught you that how to ride a bike?
My father taught me how to ride a bike.
So can you tell me about your brother's routine? That what he do?
Yes, I can tell you about my brother's routine. What he do? Firstly, he woke up and he go to and he goes to the gym. Then he came to home and eating his breakfast. Then he go to his job. After that, he come to the home. After that, he comes to the home. Then he goes to the gym and then he sleeps.
Okay. So can I ask you some basic questions?
Yes, you can ask some basic questions.
So where are you living nowadays?
I'm living in Badot nowadays.
And in which school do you study?
I study in Holy Child Convent School.
Okay, sir. May you ask some questions to me?
Yes, I may ask you some questions. That, sir, as you told that, firstly, sir, what do you want to be,
I want to be a scientist, sir.
and why do you want to be the scientist,
Because, sir, it is my dream. I want to upgrade my country.
and what do you do to become the scientist?
I'm learning spoken English and nowadays just doing my 8th class. And I usually watch some visuals to increase my scientific knowledge about space. Because I want to be a scientist in ISRO field.
And what is your and who inspire you to become the scientist?
My father inspired me to become a scientist. He wants to he wants me to be a scientist.
And sir, what is your favorite subject in 8th class?
My favorite subject is science and maths. And what about you?
My favorite subject are physics and maths.
So have you completed your 10th class?
Yes, I have completed my 10th class.
Okay. And what have you chosen?
I have choose PCM.
Do you have an interest in PCM?
Yes, I have interest in PCM.
Could you tell me about what do you want to be?
I want to be the MNC officer,
Could you tell me about the full form of MNC?
multinational corporation.
Okay. So who inspired you to be MNC officer?
Actually, there are so many people who inspire me to become the MNC officer. Firstly, there is my teacher of SST, and then my brother.
Okay. Do you go to gym?
No, I do not go to gym. Do you?
No, I do not go to gym. Thanks for watching.